Good morning, everybody. Okay, nothing against this little fella right here. Go watch his channel if you like silly news. But no, Deepseek tanks the market. Oh my God, these people are so fucking whatever. Good morning, everybody. Never made it on last night, didn't feel like it, but I made it on this morning. So there you go. Have to go down here, get the YouTube channel set up. We're live on Facebook, X, Twitch, and TikTok. I already did my cardio. I guess one of these days I'll go back to doing cardio for hours at a time. Good morning, good morning, good morning. TikTok. Here's our official, second official. First is Buy Stop, Sell Stop theme song for our channel. Okay, I think we're done. Let's see. Are we live? Hopefully none of you are crazy enough to be up this early. What's up, Susu? What's up, Elixir and Jen? Good morning to everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Deepseek tanks the market. No, the fuck it didn't. These people they'll tell any story and any lie rather than simply go over to here, go over to our thing. On 1-2, I called the 3-month reset. On 1-2, daily sell stop to the blue line. Take profit of 117 and 111. Take profit 1 hit. Take profit 2 will be hit. They form in the order of. People are so weird. Then I guarantee you, after you see the 3-month reset, by the way, you will see the 3-week logo buy stop kick in. These are the weird. I don't understand how people listen to this bullshit news and try to trade this or try to. What are you talking about? Tanks the whole entire AMD, NVIDIA. No, it didn't. It was a daily sell stop to the blue line, unless Deepseek announced their announcement back 26 days ago. I'm going to go ahead and say I called it correctly. And these people who talk about the news just sound so silly to me. It's like, it's the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Fake news doesn't just apply to CNN. It applies to all trading. Deepseek tanks the market. People are fucking bananas. Wow. What's up, LT? It is early. I know. My lack of sleep, you guys' downfall. What's up, Arginus Luna? Good morning, Sog. What's up? Elliot? What's up, Susu? What's up, Sog? Good morning to everybody on TikTok, YouTube. Good morning to everybody on Facebook. Good morning to everybody on X. Yes, we're live there too. And Facebook is, as sad as this is, I've been told by many, many people that Facebook has the least lag, best picture, and fastest sound. Crazy. Facebook. And of course, we're live on YouTube. Da, 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 da. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say oh my God. Kim, if you listen to this one, please put down under AMD and NVIDIA and all those. We should look at NVIDIA. That 100% not Deepseek tanks the market. They're so dumb. Yeah, okay. What are they going to say when the market rebounds in the next several months? Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay. They're so dumb. I don't want to get into it. Does anybody have any questions over that? I know there's just a few of you here right now because there's only a few sane people. The rest of you are sleeping. But really, let's be reasonable. Deepseek. So this news was, I'm really confused on this because you look at my call out on 1-2, 3-month reset needs to go down, 3-week logo buy stop, daily sell stop to the blue line. And I even give you your take profits. Take profit one hit again. What is wrong with these? How silly do you have to believe the news? Whether it's CNN bullshit or whether it's, I don't want to be mean, and let other fellow TikTokers who, I'm sure this fellow means well. Go follow his channel. I'm sure it's great. He has 242,000 hearts. You're just joking me that if he honestly thinks that this Deepseek tanks the market mattered, the news mattered. What mattered was on 1-2, I called out a sell stop daily. And it hasn't even hit the blue line. That's why it's going to continue. It's going to hook, come back up, and come back down. It'll go to the 112 or 111 mark. And if you go to the 3-month, I prefer the 3-month on AMD we're talking about to go down to somewhere around $85, $84. That's what it needs to do. Do I think it'll do that? No. I'd prefer it to go down to like 80. So there, you want me to call out 80? Here, we'll add. No, I'm not going to change that. I'm going to leave that. We're going to do a little update. Let's call AMD to 80. It has nothing to do with any news at all. We need the 3-month pink line to come back down. So this is not a good buy in our time frame right now. Remember, we need a 3-month low. Everything's still true. There's a daily sell. There is a 3-weekly buy. It's just going to take a long time for this to hook around. So yeah, if there's any questions, please ask. Whatever you do in this world, quit listening to this bullshit stuff about bullshit fucking news that does not matter in the least. 100%. Let me be clear on this because some of you out there still don't understand when I speak. I don't understand how you can not hear what I'm saying. Let me be clear. I believe that you have to ignore the entire trading industry, or at least 99.99% of it. And that includes the news, includes the lies of earning, Uganda gold. Let me make sure in bold letters here. Any and all news. Oops, it's going to make me re-sign in. Oh, hold on a second. Let me sign in over here in peace. There you go. Okay, just want to make sure we're clear. Fucking Fruit Loops out there always trying to steal shit. Okay, let's go over to here. And I'm going to put down here, just so we're clear. Yeah, just so we're clear. I think that 99% of everything in the trading industry is fucking fake and false, period. Am I clear? Especially, hold on. Especially the news. There, we added that. So when they come out and tell you why it came down, they're liars and they don't know anything. Oh, but the news is what causes the drop. Or were we in a sell stop to the blue line daily that was called out 26 days before this news? What's up, Moses? Congratulations, by the way. Welcome, Moses. Good morning, Aussie Trader. Good morning, Christian Kintu. Good morning, Sog and Arginus Luna. Good morning, LT. Everyone, well, there's no one here. Sorry, Moses, no one's here. I'll try to remember to welcome you. Welcome aboard, buddy. I will do everything I can to help you succeed at trading. If you insist on listening to the news, though, I cannot help you. Not that this guy's anything. He's a nice fella, I'm sure. Go like his page. Go follow him if you want. Feel free to do whatever you want. I'm just here to tell you that Deepseek did not tank the markets. 100% did not tank the markets. There's no confusion. Oh, yeah, this goes to show you. Uh-huh. Or you can say, like, on 1-2, I had a daily sell stop called, a 3-month sell stop called on AMD. I don't know. Then the 3-week logo will kick in. Then what are they going to say when it starts to come back up? Deepseek didn't do something? It needs to drop. Let me be clear on this subject. We need to get AMD and all the rest of them need to drop. I would say about $80 would be sufficient. Matter of factly, I'm going to put in an alert right here. If it comes down this low, this is a demo only buy for AMD as it falls. So if it gets down this low, I'll have an alert. I'll be able to know, and I'll be laughing my ass off. You okay? Well, welcome, Moses. I'm the one here to welcome you. Good morning, Trade Gun. All right. I hope the rest of the human beings are sleeping. Thank you, LT, for welcoming Moses. Sevens, if anyone understands that the news is total bullshit and this has no bearing on why. Well, that's what caused your daily sell stop. Nope, doesn't work like that. I'm able to call the future with near 100% accuracy because this is a daily sell. Just like right now, we can go over to the 1-minute blue line. Watch. And I'm going to call it, 1 minute buy, stop to the blue line. I can tell because of my sniper rifle. There it is. Doot, doot, doot. You can clearly see this started to flip as I taught for years and years and years. Thank you for welcoming him, LT and Aussie Trader. All right. Now, we're done with the subject, but you guys have to get free of the idea that the fake news doesn't just apply to CNN. The fake news network also applies to anything to do with trading. The system anticipates what's going to happen before it happens. In this case, the daily has to form, right? And then it's going to be the weekly is going to take forever because it needs this 3 months to come down. So 3, 6, 9 months, I don't know, somewhere around there, you'll see it flip back around. And then you'll see it go up. And then what happens to deep shit? Get out of here. Thank you for welcoming him, Christian. All right. So it's early in the morning. Everybody's sleeping. I get that. I wasn't, so I got up to help you all. Now, is there any symbols you guys want me to call out and check for you? Let me know. As it is. Oh, look at that. Hold on. Oh, 200,000. We can document. Look. 200,000. Told you. Told you it'd get there. It's like a turtle. Now you have an opportunity to get back into gold, by the way, as a buy. This is 200 by itself. Fuck me. Let me check NAS real quick. Hold on. Look at that shit. Well, that is documented. I want Kim, if you're listening, thank you and good morning to you for everything that you do, writing down all my call outs. It is so appreciated by everyone in the community. Please write down that US 30 hit $200,000 today at 15. Well, no, shit. At 4:15 Forex time. That's AM. Let me see what time that is. Our way. That is approximately Forex time of 12. January 28th at 11, technically. Yay, too high. Knew it. Can you imagine when this thing hits $250,000? Now, how much higher can this go? Ooh, a lot. 1 hour buy, just buy. I told you what to do on these things. Told you what to do on these things. Buy, stop, US 30, take profit. 1 has already been hit. Take profit 2 has already been hit. Take profit 3 has already hit. Take profit 4, $45,000. And I'm going to let it run. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. It's a little high. Do not forget for 1 second, and let me be clear on this. I've given you guys out plenty of warnings, but we are completely overvalued on all indices, US 30, NAS, and SPX. All of them need to drop like a rock. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and take this as a win. 199, 200K, all because I let a runner run. I remember I closed down 2 NAS, one at 40,000, one at 96,000. And this is my largest trade I've ever traded right here. I'm leaving it open because I'm going to hopefully get this to around $250,000. And we probably can even pull this off to, if I get super lucky, we'll get this to a $500,000 trade. All done live, by the way. Just saying. LD200, that'll be normal everyday trade for you soon. No, I have to go down to the smaller time frames because no one believes the bigger trades. No one believes the smaller. Why do you trade big? Why do you only trade small? Jiminy fucking Christmas. So yeah, I'll be trading small after this trade finishes. MGC. Gold. What's up, Naguado Franza? MGC. I don't think we trade MGC. Hold on. MG does not sound familiar to me. No, I didn't think so. I'm really good at remembering which ones we traded, actually. It's one of my little. MGC, micro gold. Wait, is that what he wants, or does he want crypto? Meta games. Oh, Lord. I'll wait for a minute. Tell me which one you want. Am I reading that right? MGC? Micro gold. Oh, there you go. So he read my mind. Micro gold. Good morning, Change My Life. What's up, Change My Life and Trade Gun on TikTok, and Elliot something and SOG. Thank you guys for being on TikTok too and YouTube. And I'm also available on X and Facebook. Micro gold. Let's see. Screaming a short-term sell, I'll tell you that. MGC, micro gold. I'm assuming he's using this in some form of pink list, this one. All right. So I'm looking at a 30 seconds. This is either flipping up, which it is. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line, micro gold. $10-minute sell stop to the 15-minute blue line, micro gold. And it's going to be just like gold, so it's going to be a daily, weekly buy. 3 month is so. I will not be surprised to see gold drop down. And make sure you put this in the prediction, please, Kim. 2250. Wouldn't it be nice to see gold back down to 1800? Yeah, I can see that. But in the meantime, it's going to form an order. Daily, weekly buy stop gold. Look at that. It's coming up just as called, just as told you. Look at this. You'd have lost your max drawdown would have been $7 on gold. And if you'd have put a 0.01 lot size through Eagle FX or wherever you'd like to trade, don't give me no fucking shit about which broker, you'd have made $128. Or you could have been up this much money. Actually, this was like 10 or 11,000 it hit. And that's what gold, micro gold is no different than gold. Let's get two things clear. This gold right here that you see under the MGC1, blah, 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 fucking blah, is the exact same thing you see under gold. There is no fucking difference. This gold, that gold, MGC, KPQ, NMLRC, TUV, WXYZ gold. It's the fucking exact same thing. There is no fucking difference. Oh, but I need to trade a funded trader account that only allows micro. I don't care. Same fucking chart. They make shit up to confuse people. They make shit up to confuse people. That's all they do. Well, let's call this micro. Let's do this, and let's do. Fuck out of here. That is not what I wanted. Hold on. Where's J&J at? I'm like, this is not why I took that trade. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. Okay. Gold 1 minute. Nagato Fran. I already did it. Good morning, micro gold. It's not someone else. Gold. Well, that handles both your questions then. What's up, Miami Rocks? Why are you up, brother? You need to be asleep. Change My Life should be asleep. Trade Gun should be asleep. Elliot, whoever should be asleep. All you guys should be asleep. This is too early. I'm having fun, though. I wonder if I can take some options out on Target. Oh, yeah. Let's see, Target. What's it looking like? Sell. Let me see to the 4 hour. Oh, 7 hour. Oh, 12 hour. Oh, daily. 3 week. 3 week. Monthly. 3 monthly. 6 months. Oh, is that low enough on the 6 month is the only question I have. How much lower can it go, though? Let me see. Oh, I do like these options. 146. 150. It's definitely. So how long can you go out with options? I'm learning. I used to trade options, AMD options, actually, and Intel options 30 years ago, maybe 40 years ago. We made some decent money at it, me and my brother, but I haven't traded options in 30 years. So let me see something here. Let me see Target. Target. Hate their bathroom policies. They're a bunch of scum, but that doesn't stop me from doing what I got to do. So 141. Let me see something. Trade. But I want to go out. When are my 3 months come up again? So this one was October, January. So October, November, December, January. So then it'd be January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So let's see, they have July ones. Yes. I don't want to do a put. I don't want to put. Why are they making me do all? No. Well, that's a bunch of fucking shit. Why don't they have any calls? What the fuck? No. No one's. Am I in the wrong thing? Bye. July. Call. Oh, thank God. Okay. It's 1380. Sorry, I'm looking at something real quick here. Oh, it's right above where I want it. I'm still here. All right, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Okay. Well, those are my first two options I've done in forever. I got to remember I can't do market order those at those. Anyway, where were we? Fletch. Good morning, Fletch. Good morning, Builder Vegas. Vladis. All right. Now, I really got to get back in my Nadex account, but we'll get to that later. Where are we? Okay, let's take a look at our big boys. NAS has already been called. US 30 has already been called. Do we have a Uno reverse starting here? Let's see. Nope, nothing yet on ours. 3 minute sell. This is a buy. Let me see if we're going up on NAS. 3 minute buy. Looks good to me. 1 minute. Planning buy, stop on NAS until the 3 minute blue line is hit. Planning buy, stop on SPX until the blue line is hit. Hey, look, it looks like SPX is going to hit its 3 minute first. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's go over to NAS and see what this is. We're using our sniper rifle to tell us where these things are headed. It's going to be a buy to the blue line. Then it's going to be a sell probably to the 1 hour. Yeah. Sell, stop NAS to the 1 hour blue line. Sell, stop SPX, perfect ricochet to the 1 hour blue line. I don't like either of these. I would never play any sells. Let me be clear. I'm just calling it. I don't believe they will engage. We're using our daily green as our telling us where it's going to go up to. 7 hour buy, 4 hour buy. 4 hour buy, SPX. And please, if you would, Kim, please write these down. And thank you for doing it. Matter of fact, I got to give her a free shout out here. NAS, buy, stop, 4 hour. US 30, you're just in so much money. I don't know what to tell you. US 30 take profit is the only thing I can give you on this one, which was 45,000. It already hit take profit 1, 2, 3. This is take profit 4. 45,000. Morning, Stealth. Morning. Yep. So, and I'm doing okay with that trade. This is my Biggest trade ever, whether I close it out or not, doesn't matter. It's been 200,000 on US 30. It did exactly what I want. I'm going to keep holding a little bit. Matter of fact, I might have to lock in a little bit more profit than I have it set at because I'm comfortable with that. Now, gold, we can play around with gold all day long. Let me make sure on US 30, though. Hold on. It'll be about 150,000, 1,500 pips. I'm up 2,000 pips on one trade, by the way, just so we're all clear on that subject. Use public to trade NAS. Yeah, we can. Let me go over here. How was I supposed to do that again? Let me see NAS. Let me see. Yeah, let me see something. How can I get NAS? Give me a second, guys. No transaction fee on this. Wow. Now I got to pay attention to NAS. If NAS goes up today, if NAS goes up over the next little bit, let me know. I'm going to put my take profit here to give me an alert. This is my first time trying to use public to trade NAS. There's no in and out cost fees, so that's fucking fantastic. All right, let's see if we can get those to cha-ching later. I don't have any time. I didn't do an option on them. I'll stick with the options for these ones later if I can see this pullback. 1 second, 5 seconds sell stop. All right, NAS. Oh, let me see SPX. I mean, you can play the cells if you want. I'm not touching them. You guys do what you want. 1 second. No. 1 second buy on US 30. 1 second, 5 second buys on NASs. I'm just not calling them. We need a pullback. We need to see these turn to red. And then when they see the 15-second fall, then we need to see the 30-second sell. So I'm going to wait for this to fall, turn to red. Let me show you. It should be before market. I doubt I'll be on at market open. But once these fall to red, to red, to red, to red, and then we'll play this one. This 30-second sell will be our play. We might play the 15-second too, but this is what we'll be looking to. So when these start to fall to red on US 30, we'll start to play that 15-second / 30-second one to the sell stop. But until then, I won't even play it actually, but I'll just tell you when that happens so you guys can play it if you want. Remember, every time they bring these all up all day, whatever symbol it is, overnight, they bring it back down again. It's called a Uno reverse. When someone asks why this one didn't hit or something, I don't know what he's talking about. Somebody in the Discord, who was that silly person in the Discord? Let me go back here. They post the weirdest things. Thank God for my stop loss. Really? You should never post that. I'm going to allow that, but that's a bullshit post. Why were you thanking God for your stop loss? Yeah, this is not how you trade. You only have 2 charts open. You don't have 4 or whatever you have open here. Wolfgang. Now, if you have these 4 charts open, why was there at 10:17 p.m. SPX? So let's go over to 10:17 SPX. Let's go over to the probably gonna have to start at the 1 minute. Buy stop 1 minute SPX. Now that's gorgeous right there. Just like the previous buy stop I called, that's perfection. We're going to the 3 minute blue line on SPX and NAS. And then US 30 is just too fucking high. Good morning, Grant. What's up, buddy? What's up, everybody on TikTok, X, Facebook, YouTube, and of course, whatever I am over here. All right, so we're going to go back in time. Oh, we can't go back in time. Oh, can we go back in time? We might be able to. Hold on. Oh, let's go over to, isn't this what he was saying? Yeah, we won't be able to go back in time on the things though, but hold on. We should be able to go back in time here. He's saying there's an Uno reverse at what time? 10:17. Oh. Might have to switch over to the green symbol. Hold on, let me go over to the green version of SPX. It's the Oanda version, and that's our official version. So let me see what was happening on SPX at 10:17. Yeah, it's right about here. Okay. Why didn't the Uno reverse work on 10:17? Let's go down to here. Oh, geez. Really? This doesn't seem right to me, but we'll look. All right, now. So somewhere around here, he's saying, there it is. This might be where he's talking about. Let's see what's going on. So there's a 30-second Uno reverse called here. Well, I don't know how it could have been because it wasn't trading to the, yeah, and it called it here too. So it's reading something. Let me see something really quick. Let's go to the 30-second and see what exactly it's reading. Yeah, see, no, I don't. You can only trade a Uno reverse to the blue line, whoever that person is. So you couldn't have. I don't see how this was a Uno reverse to the blue line. Let me see here. Yeah, even if it was flipping red. So he's saying well, let's go back to it. Let's see. Let's see if the 15. Fuck. Let's see if this 15-second was red. I don't know. I don't see how this could have been called. Keith might have something incorrectly coded. because there's no way this is a 30-second Uno reverse. You can't play a 30-second Uno reverse when they're flipping. They have to be flipping below. So the 1 second, 5 second, we don't know. This won't go back. Well, let's go back in time to show me that. I don't think it works like that, unfortunately, with this one. Let's go back to here and see if it reads the. No, it's only reading current. Let me see. Yeah, see this top thing up here, the sniper rifle is only reading current. Yeah, but I seriously doubt you had any. You can't have an Uno reverse unless it's going down to the 30-second blue line when it was called, above the blue line when it was called. Now, if this is the. Well, now see, Keith might be technically right. See how right Keith is? Some bitch. If at the time that this was called, it was coming above it and it was a 30-second Uno reverse, it worked perfectly then. So I'm sorry, Keith. Doubted you yet again, and you're right. So what I'm saying is, see, right. So this would have been your first 30-second reverse and it would have been correct. This is the second Uno reverse. It never would have engaged. So yeah, the first Uno reverse did exactly what it's supposed to do. Let me go back to here on this one. Yeah, this is a 30-second and it went down to it and passed. Yeah, I just have to be careful. Remember now, it has to be trading to the blue line. The first two red Uno reverses did exactly that. The third one never engaged, if that's what you're asking about. Let's see. Reply. Only trade with two charts. The first two Uno reverses hit. The third one never engaged. Please watch today's live. There you go. Learn. B, please do not ever post things like this again. Post your two charts and the reasons why you took the trade and what Athens time you took it and what symbol. Oh my God, these people. And then explain why. Thank God for your stop loss. Clear. There's rules, follow them. We don't just post shit up in here about thank God for stop losses. Fuck is that? Fuck out of here. You want to get on my shitty side? Do that side, do that fucking shit again and see what happens. Swear to God. Thank God for my stop loss. Well, thank God indeed. Fucking tars in this world. 10:17 p.m. Can't be. 10:07 p.m. isn't Forex time. Morning, Grant. Good morning, Barani. Good morning, Stealth. Good morning, Fletch. All right. Oh, look. Back to that 200 mark again. I'm giving it about a 500 pip stop loss. I'll make about 150,000 if this dips down. This is officially my largest trade now, by the way, the 200. But I think we're going to get a 250. 250 thou. That's what I think. And gold is just gold. I'm never selling gold until it goes up to the weekly pink line, above 85%. Then I'll think about selling gold. All right. fine. If it was January 27th, on that call, then they were actually accurate, but I don't know. That's why I hate when they don't put their fucking times in. I swear the emails did not go out today. Hold on, I'm switching internets on my phone. Might even get Elon Musk, baby. There we go. There's my emails. There we go. Much better. Oh, 5 a.m. in the morning. This is awesome. Good morning, Orlando Walters. God bless you too, and everyone listening. What's up, JT on TikTok? All right. Well, this has been fun. Let's see. You're in the money on your SPX to the 3-minute buy stop that was called earlier. I love that little sound effect. I know you're in shit tons of money on the US 30 because, well, I'm up 200 grand. And let's see, Naz. Yeah, Naz is in the money also. I called it back here. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. All right. Hold on a second. Okay, I'm getting really annoyed at this thing. Why is this one separated like this? Not happy with that. All right, not a financial advisor.
Trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Buy stop XRP until $4. Bitcoin buy stop until 110. That's what I was going to check next was Bitcoin. Buy stop XLM to 80 cents. Oh, look at Bitcoin go. 103. Nice. Take profit 1 and 2 are hit on Bitcoin from the previous call. Well, isn't that nice? Let's go over to daily and see. Oh, hell yeah. I'm going to put my take profit right here. Nope. Let's move it over to here. Really? Hold your horses. Let me go over here. Okay, why am I not able to fucking set a... And why can't I move these around? Oh, I know why. Fucking crying out loud. Hold on. That'll help. Let me go back in there, though. Hold on. We need that there. Now, take profit. Well, that is too low. Let me go up a little bit. Let me take one here first. 104, 106. I'll put one here. And then I'm going to put one down here. Take profit 1, Bitcoin, 104,000. Take profit 2, Bitcoin, 105,400. Take profit 3, 107,000. Take profit 4, 109. And finally, take profit 5, 110,000. It's come so fucking close each time, but it won't hit that 110, pissing me the fuck off. I am going to put one up here. I'll close down $1,000 each of mine as this goes up on Bitcoin. It just keeps riding over and over and over again, but whatever. You guys trade however you want. Now, Bitcoin, according to the sniper rifle, let's take a look. I would never play a sell on Bitcoin, but I'm going to go ahead and call something for you guys so you guys can do whatever you want to do with the knowledge. No. 30-second. Yes. Sell stop Bitcoin to the 30-second blue line. I would never play that, but it's being called out directly by our sniper rifle. Feel free. And then let's look over here at the 30-minute, what's happening. 30-minute sell stop to the blue line. Bitcoin. Take profit 1, 101,051. Take profit 2, 99,239. Then I would look for, and this is the one I love, 4-hour buy stop, 7-hour buy stop. 7-hour, I don't care where you enter, I'm already in the trade. Take profit 1, 104,000. Take profit 2, 104,900. Take profit 3, 107,000. Take profit 4, 109. Take profit 5, 110,000 Bitcoin. Love this 7-hour buy on Bitcoin. You can play the sells, but when the overall trend is daily up, let's take a look what our little kids learn. Remember, we're going to trade like little kids. Here you go. This is your daily up. We're teaching, LD is teaching his children and grandchildren age 8 and 12, and they're understanding this. The weekly daily controls the direction, and that's a buy on Bitcoin. You don't want to trade the sells. You're going against the flow of the river. Okay? So just trade like a child. Quit overcomplicating things. Quit saying this or that. For the love of God.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
So said, thanks, Coach, made $200. Nice. What's up, Zachariah? Welcome aboard. Zach, attack. What's up, Ruben? How to use the bullshit detector? Eesh. Boy, that's a silly question, Zach. You're going to kick yourself for asking that. Head over here, Zach. Go over to, yep, you're on there. Go over to here. Go over to playlists on my channel on YouTube. Go over to here. And it's going to say, this is the one you guys really need to know. How to trade 5-second, how to use signals, how to use the sniper rifle training videos, how to use the system core. Here's your playlist. Watch them all about 10 times each and then come back and try to ask that question without laughing. You have to make an effort here, Zach. So go over to here. That's everybody that's learning the system. Good morning, Ruben. Good morning, toilet paper. Good morning, Skynet Capital. Good name. Good morning, Oscar Izano. Good morning, Oscar. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, everybody on Facebook. Good morning, everybody on X. Out of all of them, I heard now that Facebook has the fastest, no lag, better picture of all things. Facebook. Who knew? Good morning, Taraya Edwards. 5 a.m. in the morning. You guys are crazy to be up this early. I'm just saying. All right. Hope that helps you, Zach. Zach attack. All right. We've successfully called out SPX, NAS, US 30, all buys, by the way. We're waiting for US 30 to flip. We have to have US 30 pull. I can't keep going up. I'm not going to argue with it, but it just keeps going up and up and up. And you're like, holy shit, eventually this motherfucker's got to flip. But I am not complaining. I'd like to see this pull back down to the 180s for you guys to get back in again. 300 pip drawdown here this morning, I'm hoping for. $2 a.m. Aussie trade. That's crazy, Aussie. Now, Bree and I have been talking about moving to Vegas for real now. So I'm guessing by this time next year, Lord willing, we'll be in Vegas, your time. I believe Vegas the same time as Cali time. But we love it because actually we get like 2 full days. We stay on our normal time. We don't go with Vegas time at all. We stay on Eastern Standard Time. We're there. So like she gets up at like 10 in the morning, 9 in the morning, 10 in the morning. If she gets up at 10 out there, it's 7 a.m. Business aren't even open. It's like she's an early riser. It's so funny. All right. If anybody has any questions over anything, please ask. I went over a couple of silly things that pissed me the fuck off in the Discord, but I went over those so everybody understands what to do with those questions. Used to live there, says Aussie Trader. Yeah, I heard we love it. We've been going there for 4 years now. We stay a couple months at a time. Usually we're going to go just with Basil, my youngest child, and Britt. But we're only going to stay like 4 days with them. They've never been, so we're going to take them. And then, but yeah, I'm tired. Really, any questions on how to trade? I'm going to go over the core, how to trade. By the way, keep in the back of your mind, every time I flip on a symbol, try to spot something in here red, because we're over 120 symbols right now and growing. It's never loses. This is my system calling out trades, closed positions and open positions. Matter of factly, this is the latest one. We're up 1,000. Listen to me now. We're up 1,545 pips with a drawdown of 15.5 pips. I.e., if you'd have put a 0.01 trade, if you'd have put $1 on this, you'd have only lost drawdown $15. You'd be up $1,545. If you would have put $1 on this trade, you'd be up $1,545. If you would have put $1 on this trade, you'd have been up $11,800. Yeah. And it only gets better. If you look at SPX, for instance, look how silly this drawdown was. This trade, it's now gone. Look, holy shit, that's so cute. Let's take a look over here. I don't know why we're cutting off there. This is our weekly one. When was this called? Yeah, Tuesday the 21st. So this actually only had a $6 drawdown, but it must have dipped recently. That's what this little dip is here. See how it's inaccurate? Then it shows. So this was originally only a $6 drawdown with 100 pip, 115 pip. So if you'd have put $1 on this, you'd have been drawn down 98. You'd have made 115. But the reality of it was you'd have been drawn down $6 and you'd have been up 100, i.e., very little drawdown whatsoever. Like, for instance, this trade here. Are you kidding me? Wow. You'd have been drawn down $2.45 and you'd be up $482 on this trade that was closed. It's psychotic, the numbers that you're looking at here. Little to actually no drawdown. Let me show you some of these trades that have no drawdown. Was it this one? This one right here. It just closed. This trade closed with 0 drawdown and 1,480 pips. This trade closed with 100 max drawdown with 1,000 pips. 600 drawdown, 400 pip profit. That's also an inaccurate one. I guarantee it was already in profit before it dipped. This one was 100 pip drawdown with 1,200 pip profit. i.e., you put in $1 trade right here, right? You'd have lost possibly down to $99 and you'd have made 1,000, over 1,000. This trade that just happened, right? No, this isn't the one then. This is January 2024. No. We have one current. Hold on. But you'd had 0 drawdown and made $1,500, 1,480. Hold on. Hold your horses. What was the one that was the 0 one? Was it? Oh, geez. There's a current one that's 0. Oh, shit. I think, damn, who called that trade? Who calls it GVV? No, it was not GVV Lodge. Who called that trade? Hold on. Well, don't even get me started on XCN. XCN, I made a live call. You'd have made 10 times your money. A 10 banger, 1,000% on your money. 1,000% on your money you'd have made on this XCN. I'll have to think of which one had the 0 drawdown that's currently live. No. Which one was it that had? It wasn't USG Chef. Damn, I hate that I don't remember that one. No. QQQ and Q. No, all those. No, not Ford. It was a currency pair. Damn, I don't know. Oh, that's cool, Aussie Trader, for 3 years. Awesome. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Oh, this is a nice little buy stop. Who is this? Oh, Udashef. Yeah, I don't care. I don't like trading that one. It annoys me. Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle. Let's see. Oh, to be clear, the name of the show is Don't Listen to the Bullshit. I'm sure this guy is a very nice gentleman. I have nothing against him personally. Please follow him on TikTok. But the reality is Deepseek tanks the market is not true. It's the stupidest thing I ever heard. They're so full. None of these people know anything about anything. Oh, AMD. That's why AMD and NVIDIA went down and da. Really? Or let's see what I called. Let's just see something, shall we? Let's just see something. Fucking shall we? This right here on 1-2 needs a 3-month reset, needs to come down. This is AMD. Daily sell stop to the blue line. So let's go to the daily. And you'll see exactly that I called out take profits on this 117, take profit one hit, and 111, not yet. But unless this Deepseek news was released on 1-2, which it was, and it was just released yesterday, Seek tanks the market. No, it fucking didn't. And here's one even deeper for you, silly news people. You actually have to see the 3-month come down. I would prefer AMD to come down to $80. That would be sufficient for me. Then I would get in with everything. Ridiculous. The 3-month is too high. That's why I called it. 3-month reset needs to happen as I called. This 3-week buy will happen. And then what are they going to say? Oh, it tanks the market. It's going to, no. Buy stop. Just follow it down as it goes down. It's not done going down yet. Buy stop. Take profit 1, 132. Take profit 2, 143. Take profit 3, 117. 117? 152. Take profit 4, 184. Take profit 5, 200. Suck that deep tank shit, whatever the fuck they are. They're so stupid. News means nothing. This is creating a 3-week buy stop created by the daily sell stop. News means nothing. They know nothing, Jon Snow. They're even dumber than Jon Snow. Let me put it that way. news. Deepseek takes the market. Urgh. No, it doesn't. It's fucking been in a sell stop since back here, AMD specifically, since December 3rd. That's what tanks the market. The fucking call out by my system tanks the fucking market, not news. Jeez. I thought it was going to the 1 minute blue line, said Stealth. What's up, Stealth? What are you talking about? I need to rewatch training. I thought Naz was going to the 1 minute blue line, not all the way up to the 3 minute. Naz? You're having trouble with Naz? Okay, let's take a look. Let's go over to the real Naz. Oh, I like trading just on a lot. I'm old school like that. Here we go. Here's Naz. Now listen. If you have the sniper, or if you have the sniper rifle, buy stop Naz, by the way. It's going to go right back up. You can clearly see these were all red. Now they're all green. So now you have the 1 minute. Let's see the 1 minute line. See what it looks like. Yep, that's a very profitable 1 minute buy stop that just occurred several minutes ago. Okay, so if it's a 1 minute buy stop, and you can see on the sniper rifle, the 3 minute hasn't switched yet. Let's go to the 3 minute. Oh, look at that. Just like I told you, going to the 3 minute blue line. You're in so much money. You would have gotten in back here. You're up probably 100 pips or more at this point. How did you not make money on this trade? I don't understand. Yes, go back and rewatch your training videos, please. Not only that, but let's make this a little simpler for you. Watch. This is US 30 way above its 3 minute blue line. Hint, hint. You see the US 30 is way above its 3 minute blue line? Hint, 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 hint. See all the green over here? All of it's green on US 30. They all three trade the same. It's going to fill in the gap. It's going to go up. There's your money. Oh, nice. That's why I'm up over 200 thou. And let's take a look at SPX 3 minute blue line. Oh, look. SPX is above its 3 minute blue line. Yay, SPX came in second, by the way. Let's go over to here then. Is NAS above its 3 minute? No, it isn't. NAS, buy stop to the 3 minute blue line. How the fuck much more can I make it clearer to you? 2 out of the 3 are above their 3 minute blue line, and NAS is not. Take any buy stop, 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, until NAS hits or comes very, very close to its 3 minute blue line. 7s if I'm clear on that, 9s if I'm not. You literally have US 30 soaring above its 3 minute blue line. You literally have SPX slightly above its blue line, and you don't have NAS to its blue line, and it's been flipping. You should have played the 5 second NAS, the 10-second flip, the 15-second. It sent out a warning for the 30-second to take the 30-second buy. When the 15-second, you should have been to the 30-second blue line, the 1 minute blue line. And now you don't understand it's going to the 3 minute blue line. Please say you now understand that, please. Wow. It's literally above both other indices. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I can only help. I can only help so much. The rest of you guys, actually, right here, you can see on our little thing, above and not above. It's going to fucking go above or come close. It doesn't even matter if it hits it. Say it never hits it. Well, then your buy stop from here or here or here, you'd have made hundreds of pips on this move to the blue line. Whether or not it hits it or not, you'd have made 110. If we go back down here, you'd have made 120 pips on NAS. Jiminy Christmas. The fundamentals, people, the fundamentals. The fundamentals. Just stick with the fundamentals. Don't get too smart with things. Don't try to outsmart yourself. I taught you this about trading the 2 out of the 3 to the blue line. Let me go to my playlist here. How to trade the UNA reversal overnight. I would look at this right here. I would absolutely look at this. And there's 3 or 4 or 5. It would go over here. and we click on it. Oh, I'm sorry. Basil only has the one in here. He only has the one in here. But it doesn't matter. There'll be more added. There are always more added. Now, let me kill that. There we go. So yes, when you see, let me be clear on this. When you see 2 out of the 3 above the blue line, and then there's a buy stop. Where's my 2 out of the 3? Matter of fact, Keith is working on that one, isn't he? Yeah. And then we're going to take a buy stop to the blue line for the other ones. That's all. That's all it's going to do. I now understand this trade gun. Awesome trade gun. I don't know if that's stealth or not. Oh, look, we're over 202 now. Wow. When you do play with big money, it does help. 202. Largest trade ever you're seeing occur. I do believe I can get this trade to 250,000. This is amazing. Thank God and God alone. Gold. Did I call gold? I don't know. What did I say? Go to gold and read the charts. Look. Here's gold. What does it say up here with the sniper rifle? With the rifle. You have to have the sniper with the sniper rifle. So we flip the 1 second, the 5 second, the 15 second, the 30 second, the 1 minute. I'm going to look for a 3 minute. Yep. 3 minute buy stop to the blue line. Take any buy stop, and we call this live. You're already in money until the 3 minute blue line is hit with gold or comes close. Whether it hits it or not is irregardless. Then look at this. What does it say? There's a 3 minute and a 5 minute. Let's see if it was a 10 minute. Yeah, 10 minute sell stop to the blue line. No, I would have never called a 30-minute sell stop. That's bullshit. I did not say those. 15-minute maybe, sure, but it's actually a 10-minute sell stop to the blue line. And that was called over an hour ago. So if it comes down, take profit 1, 2,739, take profit 2, 2,736. But why are you looking at sell stop when the only trade you should possibly take is a buy? Why? Because we trade like children around here. LD teaches this to his children and grandchildren ages 8 and 12, and they understand it. You only trade with the flow. If the daily and weekly directions are green, then we only take the buys. You shouldn't be looking for a sell. And we can look clearly over here at the daily is green. It's green. That means you only take fucking buys. There it is. It's just resetting. That's all it's doing. It's going to keep going up. I'm not selling my gold unless I get tapped out at like $100, whatever. I can give $2 less. I'm not going to sell gold until this pink line on my weekly sniper goes up and touches the blue. Till this fills in the gap. I'm not doing it. I don't give $2. I don't care if I only make $1 on the fucking trade. I'm going to hold this trade until this weekly goes up to here. What does that mean? Take only buy stops on gold you can find. Any of these sells are just creating the higher time frame buys. That's all it's doing. So for instance, if this goes down to the 10-minute blue line and it goes down to here, 2,730, all we're going to see up here is going to be basically a 2 hour, a 3 hour. See that? 3 hour buy, 3 hour, 4 hour buy. 4 hour buy, take profit 1's already been hit. Take profit 2, 2,756. Take profit 3, 2,764. Take profit 4, 2,775. Take profit 5, 2,800. And it's going to come up. You're going to see this green come up. You're going to see price action come up just like it did here, just like it did there, just like it did there, just like it did there. And if it doesn't, well, then we'll just play the downs when I see this turn to down. But right now, gold's a buy, and gold will stay a buy probably for an extremely long period of time. Look at the weekly. Let me see. Now, the 3-month gold now is out of hand. The 3-month gold needs a reset. It needs to come down. Please mark this down, Kim, when you do the call outs. I want gold to come back down to 2,200. I'd prefer gold to come back down to 1,800. That's what I'd like to see gold do. Now, will it do that anytime soon? Not daily, weekly, it won't. And if it starts coming down hard like that, we'll just play the sells then. Right now, gold is a buy. Simple. You're welcome, Aussie trader. You're welcome. Glad you got it, Stove. Trade gun, I now understand. Good. See, this is why we go over things. What's up, Blackjack Wild? This is why we go over things over and over and over again. Look at how gorgeous these gold trades are. I mean, I don't know how you guys could have not made money. We were calling these gold trade buys for weeks and weeks and weeks. Gold went up, we made money. Gold went down. Gold went up, we made money. Gold went down. Gold went back up, and we made money. The full amount of money. It already hit all take profits, by the way. So these are daily buys. Green, 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 red. Green, green is a buy stop. It's all you need to know. That's it. There's nothing else to know. I can teach you about the sniper. I could teach you our silly little songs. That's all. That's it. That's it. And some of you still didn't make money on gold. We called gold correctly every day, 365 days last year. 365 days we called gold correct. It never missed once on gold. There it is. Weekly buy, weekly buy. And now's the whole reason why my system works so fucking well is because it's tracking the pink line on the sniper. What pink line? The 3-month pink line sniper, the 1-month pink line, the 3-week and the 1-week. You will never see the system miss, ever see the system miss on those pink lines. It cannot miss. What I'm telling you is when this pink line is at its lowest, you play a 30-minute buy. We now know where the bottom of this is. You're catching a falling knife. You hold it until it goes all the way up. And again, you hold it until it goes all the way up. That's it. This is February of last year. This is July of last year. This is current today of this year. It's currently today of this year. You could have gotten in gold if you had my system back here. Every call out with my system is tracked, win or lose. Tuesday, March the 14th, 2023 at 14:30 Forex time, you could have got in gold at 1900. Oh, that's a pretty good trade. Yeah, you're up pretty much $1,000 an ounce on this trade, on this trade, on this trade. All of these trades, all of them called out, all of them tracked. $1,000 an ounce. There's the gold traders that are call themselves gold traders. All they do is fractional trading. All they do is bet a fucking $100,000 gold's going to do something, and they get lucky and it goes up and down. That's what I'm telling you. All the professional traders out there don't know fucking shit on how to trade. But instead of me smashing them to the ground, I extend an olive branch because I used to challenge any trader for 3 years, over 3 years on TikTok now, 2.5 years on YouTube, hundreds and thousands of videos. I challenged any trader to come on here to trade against me. No one ever took me up on the challenge. Gee, I wonder why. Now I'm switching it. I'm offering an olive branch. You don't have to come on and trade against me. If you have any kind of following at all, just call in if you have an American phone number. I'll call you and I'll teach you how to really trade so you can make consistent profits and you can teach your followers how to make consistent profits. I.e., you don't have to be embarrassed anymore. There's no way you could have beat me trading. Zero possibility. And that goes for any trader in the world. There's no way in hell any one of you could have beat me trading because none of you can trade the 1 second, 5 second, 10-second charts. None of you. No offense. I'm not bragging. I give God all the glory. I'm just telling you, only God can do this. And this is why it works. Now, if you have my system, of course you can trade 1 second, 5 seconds, 10-second trades. You see me do it every fucking day. But yeah, so anybody that has any kind of influencer out there, I don't care if you have 10 people following and you're trying to teach them how to trade, just send in your phone number. I'll give you a call. We'll say, hey, and then we'll discuss things on how to actually read charts. So you can actually learn. And that goes for professional traders, so-called. You know what a professional trader does, just so we're clear? They barely make 10 pips on average day. That's not an opinion. That's a fact for any dingy doys out there. And then the fact is, they make 10 pips a day and they can't make it on one trade. They have to make several trades and they have to do the fraction. They have to just take a tiny little tick or 2 ticks or maybe a pip, and then they get out of their trade. They don't know what the fuck they're doing either, just to be clear. They only have a 63.5% win rate. And that's what your so-called professional trader does. If I only had a 63% win rate, I wouldn't fucking set foot out the door and I would never trade. I would never be on the live. I'd be too embarrassed to show myself. If this system only had a 63% win rate, I would never sell it. I would never be on a live. I would never be here. I'd be too embarrassed. But they call themselves professional traders with a 64% win rate. Give me a break. Professional traders, my ass. Just come on. Don't be offended. Just come on the show and learn how to trade for once in your lives. I'll teach you. I have no problem teaching anyone. I do it every day. I'll teach you how to trade. And then you too can be up 2,000 pips in one trade. 2,002 pips in one trade. You can use any trade. Thank you, Aussie Trader, for answering the question. Get the system. So, Aussie Trader. Hey, sir, how can we join? What's up, user, or get the system? You can go over here. Right here. And learn about it first and watch the training videos and watch the YouTube videos. I have over 800. Obviously, you're not going to watch. I have actually 1,200. I actually have 2,200 videos right now, but I'm too lazy to put my disclaimer on the other one. So 889 are showing. So we have 900 videos, right? Just go over the playlist, how to trade the Safe Trade System Core. I'd watch this group right here. Go over to YouTube, watch the videos. There better be more than one. Oh, there they are. Yeah. And then they're there. Just watch them all. Just watch the training videos. Get familiar with things. Get comfortable with things. Because we've been here for 3 years. Lord willing, we ain't going nowhere anytime soon, up to God. But it's safetrade.com. 575 isn't renewed every year. You have to renew. It's not automatically renewed. Buy the system 575, read about it, learn about it. Go back, watch my videos, even watch this video. We called out trades this morning that are 100% accurate right now. Jesus. Every one of these things is tracked. Every trade that's ever officially called out by the system is tracked. Win or lose, it's tracked. Obviously, they always win, but here's gold. This is a new trade. This is your MAC pips and your max drawdown. Tracks everything. Amazing. Hope that answered your question, user. Who are you? Still not a user. It just says user over there. Sorry. New to your page and currently watching the training videos. I'm currently using E-Trade, but not finding NAS. What platform? You can use any of them. You can trade anywhere you want to trade on. I have several Eagle FX live accounts. I have several Hugo Way live accounts, Pepperstone live accounts, Tradeovite. Currently, I use I've been using the hell out of. Been using the heck out of Public, Uphold. Public, I'm doing options with. I haven't traded options in fucking. I bet you 90% of you aren't even 30 years old. I haven't traded options since AMD and Intel in the early 90s. So is that 30 years old? 91, 92. So I'm having to try to remember what my option trading is. All right, where are we? All right. Training every other Monday. Then purchase sniper. So you don't have to have the sniper, but they do help. Yes, that is true. Let me just teach you all how to use the system really quick. We'll use gold. Let me go over to each candles a day. It doesn't matter what the symbol is. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what the time frame is. It's the same thing works over and over and over again. Look how this is so green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Place your buy stop in. That's all you do. Let me focus you in real quick. Let me show you. I'll spend 5 minutes to teach you all how to trade. Okay, this is how you trade using my system. And by the way, it works over and over and over again. You can clearly see the same setup here, 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 and here. This is a daily buy stop. See your M in the center? Okay, here we go. All right, I'm going to teach you how to trade. Let me take the focus right to here. This is how we trade. Let me write this up. How to trade any symbol 101. And you guys are going to laugh. Red equals down, not a loss. Green equals up. Okay, so this is my system, and this is how easy it is. All you need to know. Let's take a look, shall we? Okay. When you look at this chart right here, do you see more green or more red? Just simple as that. When you see this chart right here, green, 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 there's a little red, green, 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 a little red, green, 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 a little red. So what do you see more of? Sniper Nathan T is $250 a month if you want to get it. Again, it's an optional add-on. You don't need to have it. I'm just going to teach you how to trade. It's very simple. Is there more green on this chart or red? You really can't count my arrow either. Hold on, let me take that away from there so you guys don't get confused. Let's grab a green arrow. More green or more red? I'll wait. Do 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 do. This is the problem when Larry's not with us. Is there more green on the charts you're looking at, or is there more red? Aussie says green. More green, says Christian can too. Oh, okay, good. I was about just to leave you guys. Yes, I have videos. We have tons. We have 900 videos on how to use the system. I'm going to teach you right now, by the way. More green. Thank you, Christian, and thank you, Aussie Trader. Here we go. So there's more green. Fletch says green. All right. So there's more green. So let's take a look at something, shall we? Let's focus you guys in just a little further. I'm even going to take away this one for you. Let's focus in like this. This is what you see. Just look. All you can see now is this. Ruben says more green. Correct. Look. Green, 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 red, green, green. So let's go ahead and we're going to go back in time. We're going to go to right about there. And we're going to grab that little thing just like that. Now we're back in time. We're focused in. All we see on our charts in this time period, this is live, by the way. This is the best feature TradingView has. MetaTrader 4 doesn't have this. TradingView does. Green, 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 red, green, green. This is a buy stop. What does this mean to us? Well, let's take a look, shall we? We have user 3766 who's asking how do I join? How do I get my system? How do I watch? This is user 3, whatever he is on TikTok, user 3766. He is the person who's trying to dive down to the bottom of a pool. He's trying to go down. That's the red. Below him, you're going to see 3 green lines. And the 3 green lines, remember what I just taught you now. Remember this. Red means down and green means up. Remember? So watch. Green means up. So real direction bar 1 is up. Real direction bar 2 is up. And real direction bar 3 is up. Okay? So we have 3 grown people pushing up against user 3766 on TikTok. He's trying to go down. We have to the bottom of a pool and pick up a little diving stick or a penny or a quarter. Below him, we have Ruben pushing up. We have Fletch pushing up. We have Christian pushing up. He's still trying to go down. Can't do it. Above him, we have 2 more green lines pulling up. 2 more people pulling him up. Aussie Trader, Moses pulling up. Okay. And then over here, we actually have the candles themselves are green. And then we have over here the green little line, the EMA color changing line. So right here. So now we have green, 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 and one person trying to dive down. And we have the equivalent of 1, 2, 3 people pushing up and an additional 4 people pulling up. I don't care if this guy is Michael Phelps on steroid. He had no chance of going down. This trade had no chance of going down. The only way this trade could have gone, this is a daily gold trade, is up. Now we do confirm it on a higher time frame and stuff, but I'm just teaching you the basics right here. So this is a buy stop going up. The only chance. Let me show you without everything here. This right here is what it looks like. Green, 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 red. It did it here also, and it did it back here. We'll go back and look here and here. This is daily candles. This is gold. This is how we spot the trade. Okay, again, you can learn how to trade raw charting, right? Right here. This is what the chart would look like. You have no clue of what this is a descending candle thing. There's nothing you would have known. There's nothing. None of the old ways would have worked. You'd have tried to put on different indicators. All the old indicators, you guys will love this part, suck ass and they fail you. To be clear, the old ways of trading fail over 99% of the time. Let me be clear. I believe that you have to ignore the entire trading industry, or at least 99.999% of it. The old ways of trading, fib retracement, will not tell you where this is going on the daily. Let me be clear. If you take all these loser way, RSI, Bollinger Bands, VWAP, candle patterns, you combine them all, they all will not tell you where this is going. I can tell you with certainty where this is going and we just traded it because my system is flawless. How do I know the old ways of trading fail? Because for a fact, 85% of day traders, just like you and me in our community, 85 out of 100 of us quit within 3 years. No shit. It's actually up to 93%, and I can get studies to show you 99% of us quit. So why would 85 to 93% of all traders in the world quit within 3 years if any of the old ways of trading worked? If any of the old ways of trading worked, like RSI, Bollinger Bands, VWAP, volume, they all suck. They all horrible. Candle patterns, they all suck. They're all horrible. Let me be clear. Why would 85 to 93% of us leave if they worked? Of course, none of us would leave if they fucking worked. We all can make a broke clock is right twice, right? We can all make a little trades correct with Fibonacci retracement. Long-term consistent profits never happen. That's why over 85% of all day traders quit. Period. No other way of putting it. That's a fact. Done. So if all the old shitty ways suck ass, what does work? Well, I'm teaching you what works right here, right now. This little pattern works flawlessly. When you see this setup, this is what to look for in order to get your buy stop put in. This is exactly how you'll trade this right here, to look for this. Now, how do you actually trade it? I'm going to teach you next. Do you guys understand? Yes, or sevens, you understand that if you look for this exact setup on any symbol, it'll either make money or definitely will not lose, depending on how you're trading. And I'm going to show you how to enter the trade, where to enter the trade at. But when you see green, 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 red, green, green, and we made the silliest little song to teach you how to remember this.
One of these things is not like the others. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you guess which thing is not
They're
like
all green.
the others before we finish our song?
Except for the red. They're all green.
See? All that green and only one red?
I do.
That's a buy stop for the safety trade system.
Thank you to my beautiful wife for singing that for all of you. Why do we have silly songs? To embarrass every one of you, to teach you that trading is as easy as children can do it, because we have children doing it. We have LDs teaching his grandchildren and children age 8 and 12, the weekly, daily direction. Flow goes up. They can learn it, and they're 8 years old and 12 years old. Can you imagine by the time they turn 18? How fucking fantastically, unmistakably great they will be trading. And all I'm doing is teaching them green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop. That's it. That's all you do. Now, how do you trade this trade? What's up, Larry? Boy, did I miss you earlier. Good morning, Larry. This is how you would trade this trade. You have to have entries, right? Where do I put my entry in? I always love this. Now, remember, we're not using the sniper. The song has nothing to do with the sniper. Let me take this away. Let's take all this away. So again, this is what you see. Now I'm going to teach you how to put in this is your buy stop. So we're going to put in a pending order. That's what a buy stop is. This is your entry. Okay, now you could enter a little bit higher if you don't want to be so aggressive and be safer. You can enter it right here on your yellow line, either or. Yellow, green line, the orange line down, or you can do that. Technically on a daily, you can do what's called a closed trade. When this thing turns back to green over here, you can also enter here. So those are your entry points. Morning, Lair. Thank you for saying bye, system. Good morning, Kevin Alderman. Good morning, Dr. One Fly. So sevens, if you understand, these are your entries. When you see green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop. You can enter off the orange line, the green line, the yellow line, or when this changes back to green on the daily, weeklies, you can do this. Well, 12-hour dailies, I prefer. Okay. Thank you, Lair. Now, this is also another way to enter when the blue line rises up on the sniper, but we're not going to get into the sniper right now. I'm just going to teach you without it. So this is our entry line. I'm going to go ahead and enter this trade. I'm going to do a buy. We're looking at gold. Okay. Now we're entered into a trade. And there it is. Okay. So this is our entry. You can watch along over here with price action to see what happens. That's your profit. These are our entries. Now, once we enter the trade, we have to put a stop loss in. So we take our low. So this is the pivot point. It came here, right? Doop. Pivoted up. We would have made money, came down, would have entered again, would have made money, came down. This is crossing right here. This is my entry. Okay. So this is the lowest point over this thing, pivot point, I call it. So you put your stop loss down here below here. And you have to re-enter the trade or eat it. If it don't ever move your stop loss 101, don't ever move it. This is where it's at, right below that pivot point, the lowest pivot point of this little group right here. Now, this is going to, if this engaged, which it did, this is an upward sloping W. And you can clearly see inside of here, see the M in the center of it on a daily, went up, down, up, down. You can clearly see the red means down. Remember, green means up, red means down, and it's going to come up again. See the W right here? See the W right here? This is what your little, because some people are used to trading double bottoms or double tops, triple bunch of. This is what the W looks like in my system. Clearly seen. There's always an M in the center of a good W. It always breaks the center line. So I'm going to teach you where to put your take profits. So this is where you're going to put your take profits at. Watch. Take profit 1, we're down here. So take profit 1 is going to be this orange line. This is a take profit right here. This is going to be my second take profit. This is going to be my third take profit. This is going to be my fourth, and I love the orange line right there, take profit. This will be my fifth take profit. So these are called take profits. What is a take profit? You can open up more than one trade. You'll see a lot of traders, they'll open up 2, 3, 4 orders, or you can close off a partial big order. It's just easier to close down the other one. So these are your take profits. So as soon as it goes up, you close down one, you blah, 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 blah. And you leave one run, da, 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 da. That's all. So this is the setup. This is how it's looking. Does everybody understand stop loss, lowest point of the pivot point, buy stops where your entry, take profits are orange line, yellow line, the center part of your W. It always goes past. I'll show you on XRP how I knew that was going to do where it was going. And then the same thing right here with the orange line right there. Those are your take profits. You guys clear on that? Do, 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 do. Da. Da 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 da. Okay, let's go forward today. That's our first movement. Very good. All right. Nice. All right, so we're already in the money. You can sell that out if you like, but we're not in any kind of take profits. So let's get rid of this. We're waiting for price action to come up to here and then here. These are our take profits. Green, 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 red. We can clearly see we're in the middle of an M, which is just center of your W. You knew it was going to come up and clear a minimum of this right here, but you know it's going to go up to there. So that's why I already called take profits on gold, and we're going to see this play out. So let's go ahead and play this forward. Okay, going entirely too fast. Let me slow that up a little bit. Okay, and you can see take profit 2, 3, 4. 4 is hit. Take profit 5 was hit. Don't worry about how much money was made. Worry about if that was 100% win rate, which it was. And it was just that easy. And that's all you ever have to do with the trade. You never have to make things complicated, this and that. Now, I do combine 2 time frames to make sure you're on a buy, but obviously gold's always a buy until further notice. And there it is, 100% win rate. You could have entered multiple different times. I'll teach you about entering more and more as we go forward, but right now it's all you need to know. And by the way, just so you're clear, the same exact pattern repeats every symbol, all time frames. This happens to be daily. Here it is here, worked. Here it is here, worked. Here it is here, worked. Here it is here. See the double pattern right here again, just like you just saw us do here and here. So it worked over and over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It worked 5 different times on the daily. If you'd have listened to me and we were trading this live, you'd have got in at 2020. Hell, you'd have got into this thing at 1600 back when I first started calling it. And that is called a daily buy stop. That's gold. Does it work on Bitcoin? Gee, I don't know. Let's take a look. Let's go, and we're going to cover up all of these so no one gets confused. We're going to come over to these, what's happening very recently. I don't know. This right here is a buy stop. You see the double one? So this right here, it went up. There's Bitcoin going up. Then it came down, and then it did it again, and it went up. Gee, it did it twice on Bitcoin. Now it's doing a logo buy. It's going to go up past 110, the next push. And that's Bitcoin. What about XRP? This is Bitcoin Daily, by the way. If we go over to XRP, you can clearly see on a 3-month, it works on 3-month charts. Yeah, I told you it works on anything. See, this is your 3-month. This is the thing. This is your little center M right here. And this is your W. Is it going to break this no matter what? I told you it was going to break this no matter what. And it's because it's an upward sloping W right here. It was going to break its first W line, which is right there. XRP is a complete trade, but we have great news. See this pink line down here? It's not to the top yet. XRP still has tons more room to go up. XRP, you notice what I said over here? XRP, buy stop to $4 or until the 3-month pink line goes to the top. Permanently written down. Bitcoin, buy stop to 110,000. XLM, let's look at XLM. It's even better than XRP. XLM still has to break its center line right here. XLM buy stop until 80 cents. Then it's an upward sloping W. It has to break 92 cents. Just like XRP had to do those things, and it did. XLM hasn't done those things yet, and it will. Here's free money for you. Play any buy stop until the 3-month pink line on XLM goes and touches the orange on my sniper. Period.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Dio. We've been calling out XLM 100% accurately. We've been calling out XRP 100% accurately. Matter of fact, so accurately, I was able to pay for my upcoming trip to Vegas. I pulled out 17,000, left 13,000, and I had started that less than 2 months ago. Yay. Now, does it work down here in this? I don't know. Let's take a look. I'm pretty sure that it works. Gee, there's your 3-minute to the blue line that was called out this morning on SPX. You all made money on that. I wonder. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at US 30. We need US 30 to drop for you guys to get back in. And here's NAS. Gee, NAS keeps going closer. Let me tell you what's going to happen before it happens again. This is 3-minute. See the buy stop right here? Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, 3-minute. This is the first time came up. This is the second time. You're going to see how it did right here where the pink crosses the purple. Pink's going to cross the purple. It's going to go up to the blue, and it's either going to touch the orange line or come very, very close. Specifically, take profit for this trade right here would be 1. Take profit 1, 21,305. Take profit 2, 21,330. Take profit 3, 21,364. And that's just what it's going to do. This space right here that you see, the gap, the green, space, black, yellow, just like it did here and here, you're going to see the green come up and touch this yellow and go past it. You're going to see the pink cross the purple. This is going to go up. This is going to go up towards the blue line and I believe touch it, but that's just me. And that's what's going to happen for NAS. We called out NAS successfully on the 32nd trade this morning, SPX on the 32nd trade. Yes, these things happen. And that's why there's no trader that can, how do I word this to you? Let me go over to US 30. You can't trade 1 second. Oh, 1 second sell. Oh, good. We're getting a pullback. Let's see. Hold on. Nice. Sell stop, US 30. Towards the 10-second blue line, play any 1 second, 5 second sell stop towards. Now, I would not play a sell on US 30. I'm in a long-term buy, but some of you like to scalp and do fast shit. You can look at these right here. So watch. This is red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop to the blue line, and that's where it's going to. This is a 10-second US 30 trade. A 10-second US 30. People don't understand what I'm saying. Yes, we're trading 10-second trades. The pink's going to come up, it's going to hook, come back over, dip, and come back down. Then you'll see this price is going to fall down, come down towards the blue line. Whether it hits it or not is irrelevant. You would have made money from the first sell stop. So you can make money on sells, you can make money on buys. It doesn't matter either way. So that's a sell stop. If we go over to, I don't know, pick something. We did gold, we did XLM, we did XRP, we did Bitcoin. Oh, let's look at a pink one. It was XCM. I called XCM and you made 1,000% on your money. 1,000. And this is why. Let's take a look. This is XCM daily. And I made the call. You can't see. Well, let me see if we can go down to 12 hour. Maybe I can show you some 12 hours. Yes. Let's see. There we go. This is a 12-hour buy stop. I don't even know what the fuck XCN is. Someone asked me to look at it. Sniper, pink cross the blue, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop to the blue line. So I made a call out. Okay. I made a call out. I don't know why it says Onyx on that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the fuck is this? Oh, buy stop XDC, by the way. This is a buy. This is a very, very, very good buy. XDC, whatever the hell that is. There it is. I was on the wrong symbol. There it is. XCN right here. On 113, I called it, and where to go? It was going to go to the blue line, blah, blah, blah. And then what did it end up doing? It ended up going from 0.002 to 0.020, a 10 banger. And all because the system called for a 12-hour buy stop. Look, right there. The green, 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 red pattern I just showed you. You'd have made 10 times your money on some shitty ass thing. I don't even know what the fuck it is, which is also a buy again. Take profit again, 0.03516. Take profit 2 of 0.04000. Yeah, so trading can be an easy as silly songs and colors. You don't have to remember any stupid candle patterns. Naming of, morning star, evening star. Just call it fucking Thor's hammer. It would be so much cooler. There's your buy. There it is. Pink crossing the blue. There it is. There it's going to the blue. This is called out, 2 weeks before? But I made the call 1 day before it went up. And then 3 days before it finished. Crazy. Easiest shit on earth. 113 was my call. So it works on all time frames, all symbols, any futures, anything at all you want to trade. It works on every symbol, any time frame, and all time frames. Yes, US 30 is 100% completely overvalued. Yes, it needs to fall back, to be clear with you, to 38,000, 39,000 minimum, preferably 35,000 for US 30. Yes, NAS is completely overvalued. It needs to come back down to 18,000, preferably down to 11,000, 12,000, 12,000. Yes, SPX is completely overvalued. It needs to come down for 9 months to a year, but will it? I don't fucking know. I'm still playing my buys on it, so I'm going to say no. Will it do it before Trump's end of his 4 years is done? Yes. You'll see this fall. It can't keep going where it's parabolic. It's too high. The 3-month rules everything. It needs to come back down. It's too high. So those are my warnings to you. What can you do to avoid that? I'm not a financial advisor.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
But this JEPQ thing, when the fall happens, it'll absorb 50% of the loss for you and it'll still pay out 9.28%. That's what it calls for anyways. I can't control their little whatever bullshit fund this thing is, EFT, whatever they call it. But it has a target dividend of 10 to 12% a year, i.e., we get Bree built up to 500,000 in there. She makes $50,000 a year doing nothing. And that's what we'll do. Yay. Get her a mill in there. She'll make $100,000 a year doing nothing. And of course, we trade individuals. Love J&J. Love J&J long-term buy. Love, 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 love it. Love it. Target, not as strong, but it'll be good. It'll do what it's got to do. Nike, it'll come up. Nike is take profits are already set. Love it. It's going to do what it's supposed to do. Walgreens, I don't believe it's done going down yet, but I love Walgreens. It'll flip. CVS, not as much. It's still very, very good, though. Estee Lauder is a extremely long trade. This is a 6-month yearly. This trade will take forever to flip around. AMD, I don't give two fucks of what cold seek China bullshit is. 3 month is too overvalued. I called it on 1-2. It needs to come down and reset. I told you it's going to come down to the, I even gave you the take profits for the sell stops on the daily. It's going to the daily blue line. Bullshit with the fucking deep bullshit, fucking seek shit, that news. Fuck the news, and fuck the news. This was called out on 1-2 before any silly ass shit. No offense to this fellow, I'm sure he's no. Deepseek did not tank the market. So much, everything said in that line is 100% wrong. Deepseek had no effect. What do you say? Oh, it went down. It went down because there's a fucking sell stop on my system that says it's going to go down. It's been saying it. I said it since 1-2. It's been saying it's a sell stop since back here on November the 7th. Did Deepseek come out on December the 7th? Do we know about the? No, AMD has been a sell stop to its blue line for fucking months and months, a half a year before any bullshit news came out. And I called it as so. Now, is there a 3-week buy? Abso-fucking-lutely there is. Is this going to take forever to form? Yes, it did. The last time this formed right here, we're right here in the process. It was in August of 2022, and it didn't peak until March of 2024. It took 2 years for this trade to develop. But will it develop and will it go back up? AMD will go back up. And then what are you going to say about the news that caused it to drop? They are so silly with what people do with things. So weird. Oh, it went up because of this news. It went down and went up. No, it didn't. It went up because my market said it was a buy stop. It's going down because my system says it's a sell stop. Simple as that. No other reasons needed. Hope I'm clear on that. Thank you for asking to hit the thumbs up, Larry. Thank you for being here, Larry. Larry answers all my questions. Good morning, DL. Good morning, Larry. All right. So that's AMD. Love it. Let's see Verizon. Let's go to the 3 month. Nope. Still selling. Still selling. Verizon is very much a 3-week monthly sell stop. Take profit. What already hit one? 37. Take profit 2. 34. $35. Take profit 3. $32. You know what? When it gets down here, though, we're gonna. Oh, god dang it! Hold on. God dang fuck! I keep forgetting this thing's on. Hold on. Let's put it back on, but I don't want it active. Let's go back. Yeah, still a sell stop. Let me put my little. If it gets down to here. There we go. If Verizon goes down to $35, I'm definitely going to be looking into this for a buy. 35, 3 months buy. 6 months, but look at how long this is going to take. Okay, this is Verizon. The last time it formed a buy stop, you see the little greens and reds right here? Look, was back here. Well, we're about right here in the process, right here. Yeah, we're not even close to that. We're actually back here on one. So the last time it formed where we're at was July 2009. It didn't peak until, is that right? 2020? 2009? It didn't peak for 11 years. Wow. So we have a good bit to go on this. $45. Take profit 1, $47.51. Take profit 2, $50. Take profit 3, $54. Take profit 4, $61. Take profit 5, $63. This is Verizon. 6-month buy stop. It'll take years for this to develop, but it is an extremely good trade. Verizon. Let me make sure. I'm going to put another alert up here. I'm going to grab it somewhere around here. So when this pops off to my phone, I'll know. SCMI. SMCI. 3-month. Not quite ready. It's got to go down further. Monthly buy. 3-week buy. Love the trade. Take profit 1, $42. Take profit 2, $47. Take profit 3, $60. Take profit 4, $72. Take profit 5, $86. Take profit 6, $100. It's going to do it. It's going to take a long time. Several, I would say a year and a half to 2 years, several months. Okay. That is SCMI. Ethereum. How's Ethereum doing there? Let's see what Ethereum's up to. Daily buy. Daily, weekly buy. Yeah, it's getting set. See, the pink line hasn't come down enough yet. It's our logo buy here too. Let me see where it's flipping around at. Hold on. Let me pull this back down to smaller. Ethereum. So we have a sell. Let me go down to the 1 minute. Uno reverse, baby. 3 minute. 5 minute. Yes. 3 minute buy stop to the 3 minute blue line. Ethereum, 5 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line. Ethereum, 10 minute buy stop to the 10 minute blue line. Take profit. Stop, Siri. What the fuck's wrong with you? Take profit 1, Ethereum, 3,272. Take profit 2, 3,233. Take profit 3, 3,259. What's all this business up here? Sell stop Ethereum to the 4-hour blue line. Sell stop. Take profit Ethereum, 3,166. Take profit 2, 3,083. Ethereum. Daily buy Ethereum. Daily, weekly buy Ethereum. Take profit 1, 3,000. And I love the daily, weekly buy Ethereum. Let me be clear. Take profit 1, 3,353. Take profit 2, 3,537. Take profit 3, 3,720. Take profit 4, 4,000. Love the buy on Ethereum. Okay, is that it? Nope. PFE, Pfizer. Let's see the 3 months. It's the only thing I trade with these things. Yeah, buy. Let me see the 6 month. Oh yeah, nice. 3 6-month buy, but unfortunately for us, what's going on down here? 2-hour sell. No. Nope. Sell weekly. We don't know the 3 weekly blue line because they can't give me enough fucking history. Sell weekly, 3 weekly. PFE, Pfizer. Monthly, negative. 3-month buy stop. 3-month, 6-month buy stop. The last time it did it in about the same position we're at would be somewhere around here, 2008, and it peaked 2014 years. Pfizer went up for 14 fucking years. Buy stop, Pfizer. Take profit 1, 34.82. Take profit 2, 40. Take profit 3, 42. Take profit 4, 52. Take profit 5, 60. And that's Pfizer. Beautiful little trade, I'm sure. It's going to take a while. I let those cells come out first and then take it. So I'm going to put a little order up in here. And we'll just wait. More later. God bless you too. All right. And that is Pfizer. Now I'm really not feeling anymore. I'm tired. I'm ready to roll. How long have I been on for? 2 hours? Damn, seems a lot longer. All right. This is my call outs for you for open. Now, if I get back to trading here, I'll definitely be on later today. Whether it's to open or not is beyond, I have no idea. Probably not. But I'll be on later today. So if I'm on later today, I'll go over a whole bunch more shit with you. I'm sure I'll be a little more rested. But the reality is this. We need US 30, SPX, and NAS to fall before open. Is it falling? Is it falling? I don't think it's falling. Let me see. No, hold on. Oh, okay. Look for any pullback before 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, 16:34 Athens time. Look for any pullback. Take any buy stop. So look for US 30, SPX, and NAS to fall before. One of them will, hopefully, before market open, and then take the buy stop. As it is, I'm in my long-term buys and I keep making money. I can't stop it. All right. I'm going to go ahead and go. I'll be back on later today, though, Lord willing, for sure. Bye, TikTokers. I'm heading over to YouTube for a split second. YouTubers, any questions before I go? I don't even care. I'm not answering them. All right. Anything else before I go? YouTubers, God bless you all. Everybody have a great rest of your morning. I'll probably be on, I don't know, early afternoon, then I'll be on again late this afternoon. Almost for surely. All right. Take care. God bless everybody on YouTube, Twitter, and X, and Facebook. Talk to y'all later. God bless.